order.
Morning, everybody. Morning. I was freaking mesmerized in this freaking CL long I was in that freaking didn't do shit. God dang it. I mean, we sat on top of the box in the freaking PriorDay high and all that shit. And I'm sitting there trying to get it to go up in here. Jesus. So, and at the same time that all that shit's going on, I mean, look at what gold did. Came down, tested the bottom of the freaking box and rolled right over. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, fucking Jesus. You know, why did the oil trade not do what I wanted it to do? Because I was in the oil trade and I wasn't in the gold trade. Cursed from birth, my friends. Cursed from birth. I am cursed from birth, I'm telling you. It's so frustrating. Oh, I look over and I'm like, oh, shit. Look what oil did. I mean, look what gold did. I mean, not only did it do that beautiful trade, but it did it off the red line too. Came up, tested the bottom, hadn't tested the bottom of the box yet. Just kept blowing through it and then finally tested it. Oh my freaking God, I swear to God. I swear to God, folks. I swear to God. I just swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. Good morning, though. God, she's so freaking frustrating. So frustrating. Excuse me. So frustrating. So right now, it just looks like all the equities are sitting in a freaking shit show. I mean, holy cow. I hope this isn't a sign. It probably is. Oh my God. Edwin, hold on. I'm glad you asked that question, Edwin. I'm going to show you guys. Man, give me a second here. Edwin, that was a great question. That was a great question. Let me show you guys. Fucking Jesus. Yeah, it's FOMC day. So I don't know if we're going to get anything. And I'm so freaking pissed because there was my trade right there. There was my trade right there. There was my freaking trade right there. Ah. There's my St. Patrick's Day dinner right there, folks. There's my St. Patrick's Day dinner right there. Look at that corned beef. And I have an extra one of these because I bought two big ones. I've got an extra one of these sitting upstairs for me to eat for lunch today. Brisket. I bought two huge briskets. Oh my God. So there, that was my dinner yesterday, last night. Oh my God. Everybody like that? Yeah. So yes, my dinner was great. Thanks for asking. My dinner was great. I cooked my corned beef. Oh, probably about 6 hours yesterday. About 6 hours yesterday. Wish these fucking people would just listen, man. I'm in the middle of trading. Quit texting me. Look at that. So this trade. I mean, oh my God. Oh, I didn't take a picture of it in that, but yes, I had Guinness Stout, of course. Nadine. Guinness Stout. I rolled away from the table. Would you stop? I just got people just texting me constantly. Hey, I have this problem. Can you solve it? I have this problem. Can you solve it? No green beer though. It's hard. It's hard to. Let me tell you something, Edwin. It's very hard to take Guinness and turn it green. Very hard. I can take Harp and turn it green, but I can't take Guinness and turn it green. Actually, it's not a customer, Bruce. It's a damn lender. God, you can hear it in the background. It just keeps going. Gold has just been way down today. It's down well over $100. Would you fucking stop? Yeah, it's down over $100 today, which is another reason why I sissied out on taking any shorts. And I was like, God dang, how far are they going to drive this pig down? All right, so yes, even worse, Bruce, exactly. And this lender knows that I'm sitting here talking to you guys right now. That's why he's not calling me. He feels like I'll just text you. They're not sound of money for me. They're a sound of problems. Me having to explain how to fix people's loans. I was talking to Jim about that a couple days ago. I said, to this day, I've been out of the lending business for probably close to 15 years. To this day, I still get called and messaged and asked questions on FHA guidelines and shit like that. Oh, yeah, Jim, you caught that crossover. Very good eyes. Very good eyes. What a freaking buffoon I am. I didn't even see that. Would you stop? I'm going to put you in freaking delete mode. Good job, Jim. See, Jim? That's what I'm talking about. You could have made me some money today. When I teach you this trade right here, Jim, that one, you would have made 10 points down and 10 points up. Man, these equities look terrible. I mean, these equities just look horrible. For those of you that can trade gold, if this thing comes down, it's going to test the top of the bottom of the box. That'd be a great, great, great sign of it crossing the box. Would happen to sit on our 9 EMA at the same time, so that would be nice too. We have not crossed the box in gold yet. So this could be that rotation, boom, boom, and then zing, gone. I'm just looking at these equities and it's just like, look at, I mean, what the hell are you supposed to do with that? Excuse me. Wow. These candles and equities look absolutely atrocious. They just keep crisscrossing each other. Oil did a crossover retest of the prior day high, so I'm gonna check that out for a potential short. Yeah, well, it didn't reach retest in the box, but I mean it's sitting off the prior day high, so I'm gonna give it an opportunity to hold that prior day high to the short side. I'm really going to focus on CL though, because this move that I'm looking for has been very aggressive and violent lately, where it has that space, comes through the bottom of that box. I mean, comes through here, and then just, I mean, we've seen them. I've showed examples of them to you guys. I mean, it just it'll If it'll test this top of this box, I mean the bottom of this box, Jesus, mother of Christ. And then it has been shooting from one side to the other. So I'm hoping to be the guy taking that shot. All right, we've tested the box. So now, oh shit, I don't even have my account in there. All right, hold on here. So I haven't taken a gold trade today. So I didn't even have my account in there. Let it close. All right. Gonna wait for it to hopefully reject across the box. Okay, let's go. Now let's go. I'm going to defend the bottom. I'm going to bring that up to here. Let's go. Come on. Let's not dilly-dally. Let's not dilly-dally. Let's actually do something. Come on, gold. Excuse me. Come on, gold. Come on. Let's find a purpose in life to the long side. Come on. Come on. Let's go. All right, I got to give me a second here. I got to cancel this trade in oil. Attempted trade. It didn't go. I didn't get filled. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, gold. Don't give me the FOMC day blues, please. Don't give me the FOMC day blues, please. Man, all the equities took off to the downside at the same time. I'm still sitting here holding this freaking turd that's not doing what it's supposed to do. I'm about to take a pretty decent loss here. Seriously? Yeah. God dang, that was painful. That was painful. Yeah, it blew right through the prior day low. The YM did. Bruce. I mean, it just blew right through it. It's almost like something happened at 10 or something, like some kind of news or something. I don't know. I'm going to be frustrated. See, it's still holding the bottom of the box right here. I'm going to be frustrated if this thing comes through and then now takes off. It's still holding the bottom of that box. Jesus, I'm telling you. Sorry. Now it's not. This might be a good day to not not donate money to the market. All right. So the ES and the NQ just created 1 minute gold lines setups to the short side. So that's what, let me look at that. Let me get to the ES here. I mean the NQ. Turn Jesus. All right. Both the ES and the NQ have 1 minute gold line sets to the short side. So I'm going to pay attention to that. Sorry. Come on, NQ, go. Excuse me, Jesus. Now go. Oh, whoa. Oh, fuck. God damn it, the wrong ATM again. Shit. Come on. What are you doing? No. Excuse me. Oh, Jesus. It's a good day to do shit. Just sit here and stare. Good morning, Wayne. What is the problem here? I have no idea. I just donated $200 there. FOMC day, my favorite. Just move down. Just move down. Come on, move down. Just move down. Move down. Come on, move down. What the hell are you doing? Jesus, what is going on? Excuse me. I keep hacking over here. This is not a good situation at all. All we've done is moved the spaghetti moving from there to there. Come on, would you just go? I mean, it's obvious you want to go down. Then just do it. Oh my God. Molson Export Red. All right, come on, pivot again. Let's go. Pivot down. Hurry up. Pivot down. Come on. This is the world's longest freaking NQ trade in the history of freaking trading. Come on. Oh, my aching ass. I know, Jim. I'm about ready to have an aneurysm. This is freaking insane. Now I don't know if we're going to get through the PriorDay Open or not. Shit. Over here, they didn't go through it. So now I'm like stuck. Do I defend my
Unknown caller.
Would you stop calling me? Go. Give me my money. Give me my money, damn it. Give Bob his money. Give it to me. You stole enough of it this morning. Come on. There you go. All right. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. And I didn't show you guys this, but I took the same version of the ES. I'm in the ES one right now. It's just, I mean, the ES just came right up, man. I mean, I just followed. I was more calm with the ES because it never pierced any of its pivots. So here we go. Now I'm not losing money today. Jesus. And I'm taking it out there. Fuck. I was down about $1,400. Now I'm up $1,300. I mean, it's just, God dang, that was just painful. That was just painful. And it's just like, there it is. I'm up $1,306, $7, whatever. That was just painful. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm also incorrect. Duh. I took the RTY version of it too. Yeah, I took the RTY version of it too. It was the rejection of the why is my label not on there? Oh, PriorDay open. Rejection of the PriorDay open. I took that trade also. I was in 3 trades at the same time, and I never even noticed the ES one. I mean, the RTY one. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And I guess knowing that the ES was in limbo, I guess I could have been a little more confident we were going to go through that. Jesus, I'm just sorry, man. I'm stressed out. Oh, yeah, Thomas, basketball fix. Yeah. God dang it. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. That was stressful. You think, Bill? Did you not hear me screaming at my phone? Did you not hear me screaming at my phone? Now, the ES trade that I was in, obviously the RTY trade, I didn't even pay attention to it. I mean, I'm in and out in 1 minute. But and I never even moved my target. I never had a chance. I never even looked up at it. But I was in the ES one for the whole time. I was in that freaking NQ one. And I never got nervous with it because it never was doing anything stupid. And technically the NQ did neither, but the NQ is just so much more violent. And the difference between the NQ and the ES, the difference between the NQ and the ES, besides money, is the NQ was sitting on top of that freaking box. Now, is it on top of it? Is it below it? Is it on top of it? Is it below it? I mean, you can tomato, because we never created a gap on either side. So that made me indecisive, if that makes sense. I was very indecisive on this. I mean, I had a 1 minute gold line, and normally crossover retest 1 minute gold lines are pretty damn solid in the NQ. I mean, normally that's a beast of a trade. And the fucking thing just, anyways, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, Bill. Okay, Bill. Oh, you were in that ES trade, Gene? Well, if you don't want to stress out about your ES trade, just be in the NQ at the same time. I wasn't even paying attention to it. I was like, okay. Oh my God. That was very painful. Very painful. Oh my God. So painful, I had to close out my ES trade once I saw where I was. It's like, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Yeah, that's exactly it, Gene. Just kept stalling. And the whole time, I mean, I'm looking at all four markets, RTY showing it's going to go short. YM showing it's going to go. I mean, if the whole time what they were waiting for was if the whole time, interestingly enough, little observation for you, if the whole time they were waiting for the RTY to test the prior day open, it's like, and then break, then that, because when this thing broke, they all broke. When this instrument here broke, they all broke. I don't know if they were hanging around waiting for the RTY to go along with them. I don't know, because see, the YM was in the same predicament, which the reason I didn't have anything to do with this is because it screwed up its whole setup right here when this candle broke this candle and then rolled up to the 1 minute. So I wanted nothing to do with this. I wanted nothing to do with the YM going short. But I knew that it was positioned to go short because it was stuck in the bottom of the 9 EMA. So this agreed with me. The RTY was agreeing with me. The ES was agreeing with me, and the NQ was agreeing with me. The only major issue with the NQ is I couldn't tell if it was trading the bottom of the box or the top of the bottom of the bottom of the line, or the top of the bottom of the line. The 15-minute line. God dang. Yeah, the NQ just hit the PriorDay open, Jim. But I'm still calling 911 right now. Hold on. I'm still having a heart attack. God dang. Yeah, it had. So NQ had a nice rollback to the PriorDay open right there. And its PriorDay low is right here. So, I mean, it has a place to go. That's not very, very far away. So, I mean, and the ES is in that same predicament where it has not gotten to its PriorDay low yet. So, I mean, there's definitely some, God dang it, what the hell? There's definitely some possibility of it going short. There it goes. While I'm sitting here talking about it, it just did it. You're probably in that one, Jim. I just totally, totally whiffed it. Totally whiffed it. Give me a re-entry. Give me an inside candle and then a down. Give me an inside candle here, and then I'll take a down. I'm gonna JP, I'm gonna let this create an inside candle for me if I can, and then I'll take the down with me defending this candle. Does that make sense? That's what I'm gonna look for right now. So I need it to sit. Oh shit, man. Yeah, I jumped it too late here. I just need it to sit. And then I'll defend the top of this candle with my stop. That's going to be my approach. Excuse me. Much easier candle to defend this one than this one. Size-wise. If I get this one inside that one, that'll be fine. I'm watching the ES over here. Excuse me. God dang. All right. I want to defend this candle right here. Just defend it. Come on. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let me move this down further. All right, let's go. Come on. Give me something. Come on. You guys know how I hate trading short. So I'm rather impressed with all those short trades, to be honest with you. Okay, come on. Excuse me. Jesus. Come on. It's kind of hard to see. I'm defending this candle right here, my trigger candle. Looks like I'm going to get taken out. Maybe not. Oh boy, oh man. Uh-oh. Jesus. I'm going to get taken out. I should have just taken my money and called it a day. I think I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, I'm up $1,036. I may just call this a day for me. On FOMC day, money is money. Sorry, guys. I'm just hacking and wheezing over here. Jesus. Yeah, I'm using the May contract, Bruce. Yeah, I may be done too, Edwin. From this point forward, I don't think things are going to get better. I think they're going to probably get worse. Because we're getting, closer and closer and closer and closer to the monthly fairy tale story. Nah, Gene, I've been battling this cold I caught from going to the ER. You remember that whole fiasco. You go to the ER with one problem, you come home with two. Yeah, NQ did pull through for me, Edwin. It finally. I mean, it probably about probably 6, 7, 8, probably 800. Had to have been at least $800 it stole from me before it gave me all my money back. And the one that really actually made me money at the end of the day was the ES. Think about that. It was the ES that really made me my money. I made more money on that ES trade than I did that NQ trade. That NQ trade, my target that it hit was only $1,000. Was $1,000. I say only $1,000. It was $1,000. What had me nervous, of course, in that NQ trade was the fact that, I had the prior day open. We had to go through to get to my target. I mean, holy pachiki. That was a little scary to me, but fortunately, we had already been there once. That gave me a little bit of confidence. The other thing that gave me a little bit of confidence was the fact that the ES was in limbo. It was not coming to any support at the same time. So, but thank God it went immediately through the prior day open, because I would have closed it out down there for like whatever, $400, $500. Oh, Jesus. Most of the people in this YouTube know Bob has seen more doctors in the last 3-4 weeks than Bob has seen in the prior 10 years. Combined. Not specifically about this cold, but I've had more tests and prods and whatnot. Jim, are you still in this trade? Are you still in this short, my friend? I mean, the damn thing looks like it's going to work. Yeah, oh, absolutely, Edwin. 100%, Edwin. Edwin, 100%. If I was sitting here trading micros, even though I have a decent balance account that I'm trading with, I would be a lot more aggressive about the trades I take. You're still in it, Jim? Man, you are my hero. You are my hero. Everybody root for Jim. He needs it to go through the low. He probably needs it to go to here. That'd be even better. You are my hero, Jim. You really are. Gene, I've said the same thing. Gene, 1,000%. 1,000%, Gene. My ability to rationalize. Now, this is going to sound crazy what I'm about to say, okay? But a lot of you that watch the channel, recognizes, say, changes with me or whatever. But one of the things that, having Jim in here has done for me is it has given me the confidence to absorb some of the losses that I've absorbed. Like today, I mean, I didn't have enough time to really look, but I was probably down, $1,400, $1,200 to $1,400, something along those lines. And I still was grabbing my stop in the NQ and giving it the candle to the left. And I mean, I was still doing that stuff because, again, at the end of the day, this trade works. This trade right here works. Just for some freaking reason, we kept getting stuck until it worked. And so I was giving myself the confidence to let myself not have like a $200 loss, but maybe a $600, and not even think about it. Just be trading the chart, trading the pivots. And Jim being in here has given me more confidence to do that for myriads of reasons. I mean, one is that I'm allowing myself now to get into trades when the market's not, FOMC quagmire bullshit day. I'm allowing myself to get into trades where I'm now seeing the bigger rotation, recognizing the pullbacks, adding contracts to it, and having trades that sometimes make the trade in it of itself makes anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. And I mean that all really comes from just observing how Jim has attacked the market versus the way I do, versus the way I have been. Hold on a second. At the same time, it's, it's not prudent if I was still trading prop firms. Now, would it be prudent if I was trading, say, micros? Well, yeah, I mean, instead of being down, say, $1,400 or whatever, I might have been down $250. You know what I mean? Which is, that's very manageable situation. But I mean, this kind of shit right here, oh my God. So now if Jim's doing this, he's brought a stop from here now to here. See the big gain he got? Literally nothing, because it's finally rotating again. See you, Jim. Other Jim. Oh, Gene's freaking doing amazing. Gene, you're doing amazing. You really are, because I mean, you're just like, you have taken some of the things I talked about and you have really implemented them in your ES trading, and you have just, yeah. Jim and I talked yesterday, and he was like, I'm not going to ES trade. I said, listen, Jim, I'm not saying that I want to ES trade. What I'm saying is, when I talk about the ES, I say if I was asked, what is it that if you can only trade one instrument, and that's going to be the only instrument you trade forever, and that's it, and whatever, which one are you going to pick? And I'm just like, I mean, a lot of people wouldn't even recognize that I'm about to say this, but it would have been the ES, because it's just the easiest one for me to see the patterns, to be comfortable with, to whatever. It's just not going to make you, huge dollars of income. But that doesn't matter. Just, it really doesn't matter. Yes, all the pizzazz and fun and shit like that is in gold and in NQ. But, if making $200, $400, $500 a day is something I want to do 2 to 3 times a week, it's the ES. It's the ES. It's just so consistent, the way it moves. And it's so liquid that you're not going to get these ridiculous, reaches of grabbing your stop and then reversing it. It doesn't do the stupid stuff. If you're on the right side of the trade, it brings you into profit. I wasn't even looking at the ES the whole time. I shouldn't say I wasn't. I was glancing up at it, make sure it was still confirming what was going on with my NQ. But I was in that trade and wasn't really worried about it. But I still scared to death when I'm in these freaking NQ trades sometimes. Boy, the NQ is just, it's slowly going down, Jim. It is slowly going up. Look at these stops from here to here to here. Now here, if this will break, and by the way, he did break the down pivot. So if this will break here, then, this is your new one. It is slowly melting down, but God dang. Oh, shit. Yeah, no shit. The thing is at least the one thing about the NQ though is it is continuously melting down. And I'm looking at the ES and it's doing the same thing. It's still melting down. It just needs to get a little bit of energy behind it and run itself to here. Pattern wise, this is where it should go. It crossed over, retested the prior day open. It should go to here. That's pattern wise. And, and you guys should know this from me talking about this over and over and over ad nauseum. When those patterns work, they have a tendency to move slow at first, and it's the last bit that they run. It's like they kind of meander, and then it's like, oof, off it goes. It is meandering for damn sure. It might even test the 5-minute gold line here first, which would not be good because it would break this down pivot, this one right here in the process. Oh my God. Yeah, I've said that too, Joshua. I'm glad you said, Edwin, to Joshua. Yeah, that's if you're in a prop firm and you want to pass and you want to get paid and you don't want to have an argument with the prop firm about anything, then trade the ES. It's like it's in the grand scheme of things, it's the one that's going to be the one that brings you the consistent profits. It's not glamorous. It's not, it's not the hot ticket. It's not all that shit, but it is very consistent, and it will bring you to the promised land of making money, in my opinion. It just happened to make me the most amount of money of all the instruments today, but that was, that was just happenstance, really. But it did happen to make me the most amount of money of all the instruments today. Now, the RTY made me a good piece of money too. I think that setup I did in the RTY is my ATM was only set for $400. So I think, but I hit that $400 in literally 1 minute. I mean, literally 1 minute. My favorite, just ching, ching, we're gone. You don't even have time to move your targets. Hell, I didn't even know I was in the trade. It went so fast because I was staring at the NQ falling down. We might have a setup in gold there, Jim. We broke that pivot walking back. We get right back into here. I'm going to be looking for a long. In gold. Yeah, there you go. GC setup. Yeah, exactly. GC 5-minute gold line setup I'm looking at. A potential GC 5-minute setup. We crossed over the 5-minute gold line. We broke the down pivot, which is really not a down pivot because it's broken it already. And we just need it to, I need it to settle down here. If it doesn't, I'm not chasing it. Man, NQ gave everything up, didn't it? What the hell? Freaking come on, eat GC. Give me a big long finger down. Well, I'll be damned. The market has decided to start rotating long. Interesting. Ooh, there we go. All right. Ooh, no, don't run away yet. Shit. Wow. Damn it. Everybody see how it reacted off that 5-minute gold line right there? Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Did everybody see that? You got to see it live. That's the setup that I've been talking to Jim about lately. The problem is, freaking A. I mean, it just shot out of the cannon. Now I got to defend it. Ah, come on. Did everybody see that? What it just did there? Damn it. God damn it. Yeah, just too fucking, candle was just too big. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Holy cow. You mean the red line in like the ES? There it is. There it is. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come back down to that gold line. Come on. Fill up. Fill the ticket. Fill the ticket. Come on. Come on, ES. Fill the ticket. I don't have time to look at everybody else. What are they doing? Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. I mean, it literally touched my freaking target. Fuck. Yep. Come on. Yep. Oh, wait, are you going to roll over? You going to take me out? What are you going to do? Ah, he took me out. Fucking piece of shit. That was a beautiful red line in the ES. It actually touched my freaking target. It actually touched my target. If anybody notices, all the instruments are running up. They're running long. So, damn it. So, I'm in this one here. The NQ rejection off the PriorDay open. Come on, go long. Don't come back. Keep going long. Come on, come on, come on. There's a battle right here. And this red line, we just need it to blow through. Come on. I should have added a contract right there. I really should have. Come on, go, go. Come on. Get me through the red line. Come on. The RTY is already through the red line and it's heading long. The ES is at the red line. So there's a battle going on here. But if the market is rotating long, finally, after all that consolidation down there, I might be able to take this for a really long trade. All right. All right. There we go. All right. 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 Let me move this up. Come on. 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 Just let's do some running. Let's do some running. The ES is through the red line. The ES is through the red line. The RTY is honestly the best trade was the RTY, and I'm not in it. The best setup was the RTY. Come on, ES. Keep going. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go long. Let's go long. Let's go long. We're inside the box too, so maybe we'll cross the box. I don't have my lines still extended. They're right here. Here's the mid band. Here's the top of the box right there. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, ES. I mean, NQ. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Run. You got the shorts trapped. They have the shorts trapped right here. So they're just squeezing them right out. Come on, baby. Let's go. The YM is in a big pickle. Does anybody see the YM? The YM is in a pickle right here. That's probably going to hurt us. See, the YM is in a pickle. It's at the prior day low and the freaking red line at the same damn time. So that's why we're hung up, I think, right now. I really want to give this thing room, so I'm just going to sit back because I want to see if we're going to rotate. If we rotate, then I'm going to have a possibility of making a really good profitable trade here. Then I'm going to call it a day. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Does everybody see the rejection of the prior day open? Bam, bam, rejection. Inside candle. This was an inside candle right here. Boom, long. The candle after this candle right here was an inside candle. Boom, long. That's it. That's the setup. Let's go. Come on. Come on. And the RTY being across the box, being across its red line and running long is one of the things that really helped me be like, okay, all right. We may actually be going long. The market may actually start rallying. Now remember, I'm swimming upstream here because the market's been down. I mean, we're swimming upstream. Yeah, that RTY trade was a beast. I noticed it after the fact. I was like, damn, I should have caught that RTY. I caught that beautiful RTY earlier to the downside. Come on, guys. All right, so the ES is sitting on top of the red line right now. My big problem is the YM. My big problem is the YM. It is the biggest problem we have right now in this trade. Is this? It is in a bad situation. for this trade to work. It's in a bad situation for this trade to work. That YM. We really need it. We really need it to start rotating back up from a higher pivot. Right here. This was our pivot here. We need that to start rotating up from a higher pivot back into those lines. There it goes. Okay, come on. Please. Please, YM. Please, YM. Hold that pivot there. Come on. Come on, YM. Let's go. Come on, man. Damn it. Fuck. Now, I don't even have my trade on for this yet. I'm not going to trade it, but at least in case something does set up. All right, there we go. Okay, see, now it did a pivot there. So let's go. Let's go. Come on, come through this top. We're all waiting on you, YM. Everybody else is on the same plan. The same plan. It's the long plan. ES is holding its red line right there. Okay. So we just need everything to go. This YM is really what's got us stuck right now. If I don't think if it wasn't for the YM, I think this thing would have already blasted. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Somebody call Warren Buffett and tell him to buy the market. Let's go. Thanks, Nadine. Oh, shit, Jim. I can't even. I'm too stressed out right now. Oh, my God. Yeah, look at that. One. And then it did it again. Oh, my. Yeah, I can't function right now on that. I'm too busy stressing out on this trade because if I got this one right, we got a long ways to get some money. If I caught this one right, I just need a little bit of help from the freaking YM. Oh, fuck. I'm going to be so frustrated. Fucking A. Hold on, red line. Yep. Come on, red line. I need you to hold. I need you to hold. There you go. There you go. Be my friend. Be my friend. Be my friend. Come on, please be my friend. Let's rotate up here. Come on, man. This YM is killing me. Man, I need some buying power. I'm not a slacker. Come on. Oh, please. Do not come back and test the top of that freaking PriorDay open again. This YM is really pissing me off. It's a bad situation, that YM. God dang it. It really is. This YM is a bad situation. Pattern-wise, that YM needs to go down. Fuck, I'm losing this battle. I'm losing this battle to the long side. I'm losing it. Come on, man. Come on. It's not looking very promising right now. Come on. It's like I'm a freaking have an aneurysm here soon. Oh, freaking Marvin Nugan. Come on, buyers. Come on. Come on. Oh, freaking absolutely mega painful. Oh, my. Yep. Come on. Yeah, I lost it. Yep. God damn it. That's what I get for battling the damn YM. That's what I get for battling the YM. That was the last thing I looked at was that YM, and I went, oh crap, because pattern wise, this has to go down, and was going to drag this with it. So now I'm not done. We may get like a retest and then a run from a higher pivot. So I'm not done. I'm just freaking pissed right now. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. God damn it. Come on. Yes, it was exactly, Nadine. RTY's evil sister didn't play fair. Now, come on. Come back down here. Don't just run off from there, NQ. Don't do that. Don't do that and double piss me off. Come down to here. Come down to here. You run off right now. I'm gonna throw stuff. I'm gonna throw stuff. Whoa. That was a big, ugly candle in GC. Holy cow. That was almost a $10 candle in GC. Woohoo! Oh, okay. Sorry. Let me go back to NQ. Okay. kind of in a big problem here because this is off in la la land. Freaking so is everything else. I would just hate to see this thing. See, it came from a higher pivot to here. I'd hate to see this thing rotate from here and me not be in it. Doesn't look like it's going to do it. Man, let me look at the ES here. What do we got going on? ES. Yeah, we're just rotating over. All right, guys. Oh, shit. What? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Shit. It just ran off on me. Yep. God dang it. The one thing I said don't do. It just ran off without me. I'm all right. Things weren't lining up for it anyways. So I'm good because all my other instruments, YM has resistance now. ES has resistance now. RTY actually gapped below the prior day open into resistance now. So I'm just gonna sit here and not do anything. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do anything because things aren't lining up. What's lining up is shorts right now. Now the shorts are lining up, not the longs. The shorts, not the longs, are what's lining up right now. Man, that is some ugly looking stuff there in the NQ. I couldn't trade it. The stuff didn't agree. When I took the trade the first time, I had 3 out of 4 instruments agreeing. Right now, I have only that one. And this is likely to do a rejection of the red line right here. I mean, we're at a lower pivot that we came back to the red line at than this. See how we broke that? This is the bottom of this rotation here. This is below that rotation when it came up to here. So, I mean, I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm not going to worry about it taking a long in it yet. Oh, crap. Oh, good for you, Thomas. Holy cow, I didn't even notice that. Good for you, Thomas. Or did you not take it? You're just saying it. Are you saying it or did you take it? Do, 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 do. Oh. Oh, okay, Thomas. Gotcha. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Edwin. I got you, Thomas. My important thing will be all these freaking messages in my phone. Well, the YM did like a mini M pattern here, up, down, and then back up into the gold line and then down. So it's got a ways to go to do that M pattern. It's got to get down to here to finish it if it's going to. See, so notice like when this on this down pivot right here and before the up, it accelerated out of there. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to, once it breaks that down pivot, for example, on EM, it's supposed to accelerate through it. So the YM did what it's supposed to. What it's supposed to do now is to get down to here and finish the leg. Here's leg, rotation, rotation, leg. That's what it's supposed to do, but it's struggling. I mean, granted, it's, whatever. Oh, my. Yes, it did, Jim. Finally. All right, guys. Yeah, I have several Dookie friends. To be honest, Thomas, I have a tendency to be more willing to be friends with Duke fans than Carolina fans. Because, I don't have blue hair and nose rings. Everybody have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.